Hey ladies, how's it going? So today I'm going to show you really quick how I use cinchshare to work my business. I use it to post it on my parties, on my main timeline, on the team page, um, anywhere I want to post on Facebook. So I'm going to switch the screens here. I'm going to show you guys what I do. So it's taking a minute to pull up. All right. So once you log in, this is the screen that you come up to. Playing video games. This is the screen you come up to. Okay, so you see how right here it's got my VIP page, the team page, all that good jazz. So I'm going to show you how to add and take away a group there. And this is the exact reason that I have my hostesses. I hit the second button right here. Exact reason I have my hostesses name me as a co-host. Okay, that's weird. There should be a little refresh button right there. Let's go back and see if there we go. It wasn't there. Okay, so you see this refresh? I always click it the first time just to click it. It's just something I do. Okay, so see how these hearts here are darkened? This is for my VIP, my mini organizing clubs, that kind of thing. So like this Michelle's exclusive customer appreciation bingo. I'm not on there very often. Matter of fact, I only post on there 2 or 3 times a month, and that's at the very end of the month because it's something that I do for my VIP page. So I'm going to click that so you guys can see how this works, okay? So you click that, you darken it, you have to hit refresh again. That's kind of like the save button for cinchshare. And now I'm going to show you, see how now that shows up on there? So I can click that anytime I want to post in there. But I'm going to take that back off because it's not something that, click it again, make the, lighten the heart up, hit refresh, and voila, it will be gone. See? It's gone. So this is what I do. Like tomorrow, I already know tomorrow in my VIP page, I'm going to post, so today's the 2nd, right? Go up to this little calendar, and you can, it doesn't matter which order you do this in. Gonna do it for 7:30 in the morning. And then make sure you hit your things on if you want to do morning or evening. Now, to add a picture, if you're just going to add one, click this button here because it will just pick one picture. If you need to add more, you can choose up to 10 with this one here. Okay? Now, right here where it says post a link or paste a link, you can, if I was going to schedule a like a YouTube video or whatever in that, you paste the link right there, and then you click this little link right here, this little link button, and it will show you the that front image right here instead of just having the ugly little link with nothing on there. So, first thing I'm going to do is find my I think I put that under. I put that under. Just had my brain just froze. I'm trying to remember what I did. You know what? It's okay. I can redo it. So what I did before I got on here was I went to Pinterest and I did an engagement post search, and I just found something that I thought, and I already have it. Okay, it's under engagement post. Okay, going back to cinchshare, click my deal. Click engagement posts. I am a dork sometimes. I'm going to move you all over here. Sorry, I'm not trying to make you. Okay, so move you back over here where I can see. And so I've got, what's the best thing you've ever tasted? And I always answer it, and that way they've got my answer. What's the best thing I've ever tasted? Probably our family's Italian cream cake. Let's see. No one has ever been able to beat it. Okay, so that's what I post on here. And see, right now this here is blank. This because I don't have anything scheduled. So, and I wanted to post on my VIP page. And see, do I want to put it on my main timeline? I think I will. And so see, you can choose whatever you want, but I'm putting on my VIP and my timeline. So, set for 7:30 in the morning, Tuesday, and you hit schedule post. Bam, it is done. So, that is the basic thing on here. Let me get you guys back to me. That is the basics on cinchshare. I will go more in depth on another one on how you can do a complete party, like if you've already put a party in there, how you can use that same party, because I take my one party that I do for, say, April, and I will reuse that one party for every party in April. I do not sit down for hours and hours and hours and write out posts for the entire month. I don't do that. I don't have time to do that. On my Facebook parties, it's normally I sit down, I try to sit down and just, I kind of know what I'm going to go over. Like if I'm going over thermals one day, I know which thermals I'm going to go over. If I'm going to have some kind of a guessing game or whatnot in the party, I will schedule all that for, like if I'm doing it, it'll be either early that morning or what I'm doing for the next day, something like that. Or if I've got a busy next 2 or 3 days and I know that I'm not going to be able to sit down and do it, then I can do it whenever you have the chance. But this way, you can schedule what you need to schedule for your business, and you're good to go. And that way, you can keep track of what you need, because everyone works different. So if you do it however you want to, but that's how you post. That is the basics on a post, and then I will show you how to do batch posting in a different video. But for right now, this will get you going, and that way, with our double hostess credit, you can do all that in one. Oh, and well, hold on. I think I'm gonna switch you back. Yeah, see, now you can click as many of these as you want. Okay. Now I personally only do 5 of these, but you guys can do, just because I don't want Facebook and cinchshare acting all wonky on me. So I do that. And you can, like if after I click this here, if I wanted to put something in the team page, I would do it for like a minute after, or at least a minute after. You just don't do it for the same time. So other than that, that is it, ladies. That will get y'all going. So click back over here, and y'all, I will talk to y'all later.